What is thermal expansion in home plumbing? Imagine turning on your hot water tap and noticing a sudden increase in pressure or a small bump in your pipes. That's a hint of what thermal expansion is all about. When water heats up, it naturally takes up more space. This means the volume of water inside your pipes and water heater increases as the temperature rises. Since most home plumbing systems are closed, meaning there's no easy way for the water to escape, this extra volume causes pressure to build up. If this pressure isn't managed, it can lead to leaks, pipe damage, or even burst pipes over time. To prevent these issues, many homes use something called an expansion tank. This tank is usually installed near the water heater on the cold water supply line. Inside the tank is a rubber bladder that separates the water from a chamber filled with compressed air. When the water heats up and expands, it pushes against this bladder, which compresses the air. This process absorbs the extra pressure, keeping it from rising too high in the system. When the water cools down or is used elsewhere, the compressed air pushes the water back into the pipes, helping to keep the pressure steady. Getting the right size of the expansion tank is important. If it's too small, it won't handle the extra volume well. If it's too large, it might not work efficiently. The typical size depends on the size of your water heater and the water pressure in your home. For most homes, a tank with a capacity of around 1 to 2 gallons works well. The air pressure inside the tank should be set slightly higher than your home's water pressure, usually around 50 to 60 pounds per square inch. Sometimes, if your water pressure exceeds 80 pounds per square inch, a pressure-reducing valve is recommended. This valve helps keep the pressure within safe limits for your plumbing system. It's also important to remember that pipes themselves expand and contract with temperature changes. To avoid stress and damage, plumbers include expansion loops, offsets, or flexible joints in the piping. These allow the pipes to move slightly as they expand and contract. In summary, thermal expansion in home plumbing is a natural process caused by water heating up and taking up more space. It can increase pressure inside your pipes, but with the right system components like expansion tanks and proper pipe design, you can keep everything working smoothly and safely.